Namaskar. Many of you have been asking me this question, what kind of ghungroos to wear, how many to wear, where to buy them or procure them, and also how safe is it in certain age groups. Well, let me address one at a time. First and foremost, how to get ghungroos. Go online, some of them are available online. If they are not for some reason, go to an instruments shop and ask them to place an order in case they don't have it, because they are the right resource. If you buy them from somewhere else, they may not be of the right metal or the right weight, or the weaving or the thread that they use may not be correct. So go to a specialist shop where instruments are being sold and ask them for ghungroos. Shipment can be done, but if you need them in time, make sure you book them in time too. That's the resource. How many to wear? Well, if the ankles are strong enough, I would say start with few. And as your ankles are stronger and stronger and your movement is clear and your percussion instrument is supporting you in a way that you can replicate the sound, then increase the number. What I mean to say here is that go slow with the numbers. Don't suddenly wear a lot of ghungroos. If I were you, I would probably start, if I was very young, say about in my, say 8 to 10 years old, I would start with 25 to 50. If I was in my teens, I would probably go to 50 and above. Maybe in my 20s, I would try to do a little bit more than 50, 60, 75, but go gradual. Don't suddenly wear a lot of weight on yourself and harm yourself. Don't do that. The muscles not only need to be strong, but they also need to be toned for you to hold the body weight and the ghungroo weight together. How do you tie them? Well, there are some lessons in which I have taught you how to wear the ghungroos, and I have specifically told you to keep your knees at a right angle, sit on the floor and then tie your ghungroos. Don't just sit on a chair or a bench or a raised platform. That might not give you the right alignment of your knee. Once you have worn your ghungroos, do make sure that they are light and tight enough for the blood circulation to keep going through. Last and not the least, how do you maintain your ghungroos? Well, air them, because dance is a vigorous activity. You perspire, you sweat. You need to take care of your ghungroos, polish them as and when possible. The thread can be weaved into different qualities of threads, different colors if you want. There is a technique to thread them. There are certain lessons online which teach you how to thread your ghungroo, or you can take them back to the shop where you bought them and get them thread. So make sure your ghungroos are kept in a safe place, a neat and tidy place. Make sure they are aired. Make sure the number that you put on your bells, on your feet, are gradual, not suddenly. Also, be sure that your ghungroos, a little bit of possessiveness about your ghungroos is perfectly okay. Make sure yours belong to you.